We get a 4-day weekend as a fall break, so for the first day of break, I decided to meet up with my friend from class and go study at a coffee shop downtown. It's the first day of fall break.
You are going out?
Yeah, I'm going to Boston. We're heading to a coffee shop because break means more study time. Oh, the background's really nice.
Yes, I like this tree a lot. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Last time seeing the trees turn yellow and orange. We're seniors.
You're making me sad.
Also, fall break doesn't really mean fall break. We only get a day because Monday is a holiday anyway. Monday's a holiday anyway. Yeah. This is Albright House. That is Baldwin House. To work on.
Oh, application.
Yeah.
Sorry, not really studying though.
No, that's more important. I was working on
my future.
Yeah, working on our future. I was working on my differential equations homework for the most part.
Did you have a productive day?
Yeah, I think so. That was really productive.
Yeah.
Like we were there for like 2 hours and a half, maybe a little more.
I didn't really, realize the time passing.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, that was really good.
We're heading back. I'm going on a run. Amy already went on a run.
Yeah, in the
She's
morning.
a morning runner.